a meal.
And it tastes like it only is $1. All right, let's take a look at what our weather's been doing today. Not a whole lot of rainfall, had very limited showers down toward the coast, and that was about it. Rain coverage was less than 10%, and most of that over the last hour has been more in the marshes of Terrebonne Parish, so kind of west of Houma. Got a little bit of cloud cover from some offshore thunderstorms earlier, but not much in the way of cloud cover either, and temperatures responded. 94 is our current reading with a heat index of 102, so we did see low triple-digit heat indices today, and our high of 95, but not our record. 105 on this date back in 2023. That was the all-time record at MSY. That was just continuation of a very hot summer last year. Still in the some upper 90s on the map right now, and this is really because we did not see much in the way of cloud cover, nor any cooling showers. Dew points in the 70s. Not sure what that 6 is up in Bogalusa. Thought maybe we'd have a little bit more rainfall thanks to this upper level low. Basically in the same position it was yesterday, which helped us out with our rain coverage. Just didn't do much for us during the day today. Most of the rain stayed off to our west. So we saw a few passing clouds, but not much. Now it does look like our rain chances will be increasing Thursday, Friday, and on into the weekend. I'll explain why that is in just a moment. Again, maybe a little bit more rain during the day tomorrow at about 40, perhaps 50%. Then as we head into Thursday, the rainfall does look to be a little bit more extensive and may get started earlier in the day. And if that is the case and we get more clouds before the noon hour, that may help to keep those temperatures down throughout our Thursday and even on into Friday. Here's the reason why. Talking about this upper low that is over in Texas, it looks like in the coming day and a half, we're going to see another upper level low develop around southwest Louisiana, kind of meandering down in the Gulf. This is a mid and upper level system. Don't worry about it developing into tropical. But what that may help to do is enhance the moisture over us as well as create that additional instability. So it looks like that little feature as we head into the next several days will help us out with better rain chances. Those rain chances start picking up 50 to 60%. Not a complete washout, but definitely wetter days. And if nothing else, more clouds, better rain chances will help to keep those temperatures perhaps from even getting into the 90s. Now, as far as rainfall accumulations go, any one given day could have a few downpours here and there. However, at the moment, we're not looking at any widespread flooding issues, even when we start issuing those slight risks for isolated street flooding. As of right now, Weather Prediction Center not placing us under any of those. We could see over the next 5 days, so this is going through the weekend, 1 to maybe 1.5 inches of rainfall north shore into Mississippi, 1.5 to 2.5 to then approaching 3 inches south of the lake, and more so down toward the coast. We could use the rain, not quite in a drought, but abnormally dry conditions for parts of the river parishes, north shore, and in Mississippi. And it looks like those are the areas that probably won't see quite as much rain accumulation in the coming days. We've been mentioning that area that had been highlighted from the Climate Prediction Center, this is going back 2 weeks ago, of possible development down in the central Atlantic. Hurricane Center now monitoring that with no real particular wave that we're watching at the moment. So right now, a low-end chance of development, probably not until the end of the week and weekend. Kind of looking at how the season so far stands, we've had 5 named storms, 3 of those hurricanes, and 1 major. On the average, by September 1st, we would have normally had 6 named storms, 2 of those hurricanes, and 1 major. I don't think we're going to see anything named before September 1st. So as things stand right now, we're basically running at normal. We'll see if that seasonal forecast verifies. Remember, it is calling for an active season. We just have not seen that yet. Could in September. September is the busiest month. 91 our high tomorrow. Then as our rain chances and cloud cover increase, I think that will help to keep temperatures into the 80s, and then scattered showers continue into early next week.